What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to verify if it's all okay with your Windows computer drivers, okay? Into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After, go to your start menu, search for run, click on it. This tab gonna opens, and right here we're gonna type verifier, just like this. Pause the video and copy, then click on OK. You're gonna need to say yes. Then we're gonna have a couple of options. Select the task. You can create the standard settings, you can display existing settings, you can delete existing settings, all up to you. I recommend that you don't change this and go to next, and the second one as well, don't change this and go to next, okay? You can automatically select the drivers, building older versions, automatically select all the drivers installed. This is up to you. I recommend that you do the same process for these three options right here, okay? One per option, go to select and wait for the results to show. If something bad happens, you're gonna be able to see it right here and may know the driver name in order to update, to delete, to reinstall, and that is simple, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!